So, any amazing moment in your life within this journey?
We hiked almost to the Nanga Parbat base camp. We had sadly to stop before that, but that was, I think, the higher we have ever been on a hike. Okay, we are actually higher right now, but we came with a vehicle, so it felt a lot easier. Regarding firsts in our lives, well, that's the first time that was the first time we hiked that high, and maybe for the people living in here it's okay, but it was quite complicated to breathe for us. We live literally at sea level, so that was really different. It was the first time we felt this, and we felt like the small walks that would be absolutely okay for us usually, and it was complicated.
Yeah, it becomes quite difficult for you to climb on the mountain if you are climbing for the first time, but because if the oxygen becomes very low, the more higher you go, the more the oxygen becomes very low. So you haven't been through any practice or any warm-up session before going to Nanga Parbat base camp?
We spent one night in Fairy Meadows before, so we got a little bit used to it, but still we could have spent, I think, at least 1 week there. Now, the very good thing about Nanga Parbat is that we've been traveling to countries that have mountains. France has mountains, Poland as well.
Yes.
We've traveled already.
Poland do have mountains.
We've traveled already quite a lot, but last week was the first time that we could actually see with our own eyes a mountain that is higher than 8,000 meters. And this is fantastic.
Oh, that's good. Did you come via a flight or you went through the KKH route?
We arrived to Lahore by plane from Dubai, but we are going to leave through Karakoram highway through the border with China.
Yeah, you came through a KKH road, right?
Yes.
Silk route that we call. So how was their journey? Because we are normally known that it is the 8th wonder of the world. So how did you find that 8th wonder of the world?
No, we arrived to Lahore. We were flying to Lahore, but we are going to leave to China after. So it's in front of us.
Yeah, you have to.
We already took a small part of this highway, not
the north part with the border with China. So yeah, we took a part of it.
Well, all right. Any message to international tourists, please?
Don't be afraid of Pakistan. We've been here
thank you.
We've been here for more than a week, and I think we're all fine.
Oh, that's great. That's good. Please, any message to international tourists, please?
No, we just come here, please. Pakistani people are very friendly, and so far with the places we've been, they are wonderful. So it's worth to visit.
Thank you. Though Pakistan is a well-placed country to live, to survive, and especially in case of tourists, is the best country. You have northern areas, you have Pakistan, you have Sawat, you have Kalam, you have Kashmir, and especially when you are coming through this KKH route, it becomes a wonder for you. It becomes a memory of your life. So international tourists are here. They are saying Pakistan is the best and the safe country to live, to survive, and to see and to visit. We will see you in the next episode.